Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the online class of physics from the platform of Ikra Fast Girls Secondary School, and today it's lecture number 7, in which we are going to do the exercise given at the chapter at the end of the chapter number 1. So I would like to show you the solved exercise of chapter number 1 on page number 11. Yes, you can see here. All of you open the chapter number 1 exercise, page number 11. Here you can see the first question related to exercise is 1.2. Fill in the blanks. The first blank is: physics is that branch of science which deals with the study of the properties of matter and energy and the interaction between them. Second one is: science is the common heritage of all mankind. Third is: knowledge is the legacy of a believer. Fourth one is: laser is the field of atomic physics. Number fifth is: Al-Biruni gave the method of determining the longitude and latitude of a place. Let's solve this exercise 1.3. It is MCQ type question. The first one is: Ibn al-Haytham contributed towards optical physics. The 4 options are there and you have to tick the correct one and you have to fill the blank as well. The second one is: the name of Muslim scientist who was born in Basra and made several discoveries on music was Al-Kindi. Number third is: Dr. Abdul Salam was awarded Nobel Prize for the work on grand unification theory. And now let's do this 1.4. It is related to true and false. The first one is: the first revelation came on the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, was about the creation of heaven. It's false because it's about the knowledge, that is read. The first elevation was read, so it is not about the creation of heaven, so it's false. The second one is: pinhole camera was invented by Ibn al-Haytham. It's true. The third one is: Al-Biruni proposed that the Indus Valley was the basin of an ancient ocean that has gradually been filled by the mud. So it's true. And the fourth one is: to gain knowledge is an obligation for men only. This is the basic principle of Islam. It's false because to gain knowledge is an obligation for men as well as women. Number fifth is: the behavior of atoms in the isolated state is studied under the branch of plasma physics. Since it's the online class, so in order to save time, I would seek a favor that you copy down the answers by pausing the clip. In this way, you can get the answers as well, and as I have already explained all these things before in the previous lectures, so it will be more clear to you. Now, and one more thing, it is the first chapter exercise. So I have directly given you the solutions to that. But onwards, you have to solve the exercise by yourself as soon as the chapter would finish. Now, at the end of the chapter, since we have already done the exercise as well, I want to recapitulate what we have done or what we have studied in this chapter. We have studied about the physics, that what is physics? It is the interaction of matter and energy. Like water is the liquid matter. On heating, and when it is given the heat and it boils up, so it changes into steam. So when water absorbs heat energy, it is converted into steam. Similarly, the paper, the wood, the cloth, when they catch fire, so on absorbing heat energy, it is converted. These things would be converted into ash. So it is about physics is about the interaction of matter and energy. We have also studied about the branches of physics. We have also discovered about the importance of physics in daily life. Like I told you that in daily life, physics plays an important role. Like when we wake up early in the morning and when the azan is called from a nearby masjid on a loudspeaker, So a loudspeaker is itself a wonder of physics. Then, while opening up the water tap for ablution for the prayer or washing up, then water falls down and it comes down due to the gravitational pull. So it is again related to the study of physics. Similarly, anything which we are holding, if you leave it, it comes down. अगेन हाउ, मतलब जब हम बात कर रहे हैं, हम वजू करते हैं तो पानी नलके से नीचे गिर रहा होता है। कोई भी चीज़ जो हमारे हाथ में होती है तो छूटने पर कशिश शक्ल की वजह से, फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी की वजह से कहाँ आ जाती है, नीचे आकर गिरती है। ये सब कानून फितरत है और जिन उसूलों के तहत ये सब कुछ हो रहा है, ये सब हम कहाँ पढ़ते हैं, फिजिक्स और इसकी ब्रांचेस में। तो बात तो हमने कर ली इंपॉर्टेंस की। इसके साथ साथ हमने इस चैप्टर के अंदर पढ़ा था व्हाट वी हैव स्टडीड। वी हैव आल्सो टॉक अबाउट द कंट्रीब्यूशंस ऑफ मुस्लिम एंड पाकिस्तानी साइंटिस्ट, एंड एट लास्ट वी हैव आल्सो डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द एरर्स, इट्स टाइप्स एंड एक्यूरेसी। I hope you have understood it very well and you have also completed its written work neatly in your register. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि मैंने इन तमाम लेक्चर्स के हवाले से जो रिटन वर्क आपको रजिस्टर में दिया था वो आपने बतदरीज मुकम्मल भी कर लिया होगा, और अब हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप इनको अच्छे से याद भी कर लेंगे ताकि बाद में दुश्वारी ना हो। तो आज का जो है आप होमवर्क नोट कर लीजिएगा। आज का होमवर्क है यू हैव टू कॉपी डाउन द सॉल्व्ड एक्सरसाइज ऑफ चैप्टर नंबर 1 इन योर रजिस्टर and definitely you have to learn the chapter number 1 completely. Okay guys, now that's all from our class today. We will meet inshallah in the next class with the new chapter. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.